The people of Puducherry are celebrating freedom from the misgovernance of Congress.
Puducherry is the latest union territory to now come under precedence rule after the Congress-led government collapsed following a series of resignations within the party. The Narayanaswamy-led government fell after failing to show a majority in the House. In fact, the confidence motion moved by Narayanaswamy was defeated, which brought down the Congress government. Narayanaswamy tendered his resignation right after, and President Ramnath Kovind has now suspended the assembly in Puducherry. Following the resignation of the Congress Chief Minister Narayanaswamy, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who had landed at Puducherry ahead of polls, took out a scathing attack against the Congress-led government in the Union Territory.
Your former Chief Minister was an expert at lifting the sleeper of his top party leaders. But he did not have the interest to lift people out of poverty in Puducherry. Puducherry deserves a government whose high command is the people of Puducherry, not a small group of Congress leaders sitting in Delhi.
In fact, the Prime Minister also took the opportunity to inaugurate a slew of developmental projects in the area. Now let's understand what exactly here is a precedence rule. Well, a precedence rule happens when a state government is suspended and the centre rules it directly. The governor becomes its constitutional head, and in such a situation, the Election Commission is forced to conduct re-election within 6 months. How is a precedence rule imposed in a state? Well, it could happen when the president concludes that the state is not being governed as per the provisions of the Indian Constitution. If there's a breakdown of a coalition leading to the Chief Minister having minority support in the House, and if the Chief Minister fails to prove majority in the given period of time, loss of majority in the Assembly due to a vote of no confidence motion in the House. And lastly, if the election is postponed in the event of a natural disaster, war or epidemic. The last time that precedence rule was evoked was in 2019 when Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari imposed precedence rule in the state following an election that did not lead to government formation. Interestingly, since the year 2000, there have been 15 instances of precedence rule imposed on states across country. Well, what's going to be the fate of Puducherry now? Only time will tell.